Hi everyone, welcome again to the channel. My name is Emanuela. If you are all here, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. On this channel, I create content on legit ways to make money online. In this video, I'm going to be showing you a get to pay site that you can sign up from whatever location you are all around the world and you begin to make money online. This site is known as Enarbly. Enarbly is a get to pay site that you can sign up as from today and begin to make money online by either participating in surveys, watching videos, or performing other tasks on the website. This site usually pay in form of points, and when the points accumulate up to 10,000 points, you can now convert the points to PayPal money and you cash out through PayPal. I'm just going to go ahead to illustrate to you on my machine right here. As you can see, this is Enarbly right here. You can just go over to your browser and type in enarbly.com and it will lead you to this official website. Here they say complete offers, surveys and tax, then free PayPal cash and gift cards, competitive payout rates, 1,000 plus instant reward. So this is their official website right here, guys, and you can sign up for an account with Google or with your Facebook or with PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, you can just sign up with Enarbly with your PayPal account or with Facebook or with Google, so that if you have a PayPal account, it's good to use PayPal so that anytime you want to redeem your points, you just go ahead. But you can still use Google or Facebook in order to sign up for an account. When you sign up for an account, it will lead you to this section. Here you have your points. This is where all your points will be accumulating. So this is still a new account, that's why we still have 0 points. So you can make money on this offer section. With these offers, as you can see, with these offers you can participate in playing different games. As you can see, this is 9,600 points, this is 175,200 points. So each and every game that you see here has a corresponding amount of points that if you complete playing the game, you can, if you complete playing the game, you will earn that number of points. And these games you can download it to your phone, to your tablet, Android, iOS device, and you play these different games and you accumulate these points. If you reach up to 10,000 points, you will be able to cash out using you will be able to cash out with PayPal. So these are different offers, as you can see, guys. So the second way in which you can make money is by competing in offers that are being uploaded to this site by partners, because Enarbly has partners that partner with them to work on their site. So these partners also post opportunities in which if you participate on the offers, you'll be able to earn points, and those points you can redeem it with PayPal money. So these are the different offers, as you can see here, that you can actually participate with. You earn points, then you cash out the points using your PayPal, you redeem it through PayPal. So these are the different offers. You can equally make money by participating in surveys, as you can see here. I said that surveys are based on the country in which you are. Some countries have more opportunities to have more surveys than others, so your country may be one of them. So all you need to do is to sign up for an account and participate in surveys online, as you can see here. Then you can equally make points by watching videos, and videos as well also work like surveys. Some countries have more videos to watch than others, so you can actually make money. So they say the location in which I am right now does not have any video at this moment. So my location is different from your location. In your own location, you may have many videos to watch, and each video have an ad that is being placed on it, and as you watch the video plus the ad, you will make points that you can accumulate it to PayPal money. So this is the section for videos. You can equally make money by referring people to this site. As you can see, this is my own referral link here. I can copy the referral link here. I share it to friends and associates, and they say share your unique referral link with your friends to earn 10% of their earnings for life. So if you share your link and anyone that sign up with your link, you'll be able to be making a 10% bonus from what the person that you share your link to is actually making. So all you need to do is to copy the link, share it via Facebook, Twitter, or WhatsApp, as you can see right here. So there are different ways in which you can make money. You can make money by participating in offers, participating in videos, and all the like. So this is when you click on the redeem section, it will lead you to this section where they say $1 is equals to 10,000 points. So if you accumulate up to 10,000 points, you'll be able to make $1, which you can cash out through PayPal. Then 20,000 points, $2, 30,000 points, $3, 40,000 points, $4, and so on. So the higher the points that you have on this side, the higher the amount that you make on this side. So this is the redeem section. So when you accumulate up to the amount that you want to cash out, you just come over to this section and click on redeem. Okay, for example, under the offer section, we have this game which have 14,553 points, for example, and this other one 9,600. Only these two games can make you more than 20,000 points, and you can redeem it through PayPal Cash. So you can actually make money on this site by participating in surveys, in participating in offers, referring friends, and offers from partners, playing different games and accumulating points. After you do that, you come over to the redeem section and you redeem your points by cashing out through PayPal. So guys, this is how you can make money online with Earnably. If you find any value in this video, please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel by clicking on that red subscribe button and the notification bell, so that anytime I drop a new video on this channel, you will be the first to be notified. See you in my next one.